Okay, Pascal and Joyce, we're now at Agoo
Agoo,
Eco Tourist Park, right?
Agoo Eco Tourist Park.
So it's right there here. Let me show you.
There's many people.
So it's really on the side of the beach. We've been here before and we did not know it was like that, the name and
I
everything.
guess they're still
Because
making it
we
before.
arrived from the side road there and we just followed the seat on that time. So yeah, we're going on our way to show you. We'll go on the deck there. So here it's a place that you can even rent with your family, have a day at the beach. I guess on January 1st it was very filled here. But now we're right after the vacation, so the place is
He's
tall.
flying.
And then my wife is so small that the umbrella is hiding the view. I guess you cannot keep it open for now while we move. There's a good wind, that's why we need to pause for now. Oh, look at that one. If you have a big family, this Bahay kubo really close to the sea.
It's flying.
Very good.
They have even a volleyball.
What I like also is they have like here on the Eco Tourist Park, they are also
yeah.
eco, meaning that here those box with the like recycling like that. They have one here. They have one there.
There's many.
There was one on the way when we ride, so they are trying to keep that place clean. That's the thing on Seaside. Sometime when there's no,
Someone that maintain it.
the maintenance, people drop down and it die there, and you already need to catch the one that come from the sea. So, yeah, it's a good place here.
Oh my God, it's a good place. Really. And you can see there's many boats
Yep.
there ready
So,
to fish.
Many place here. Maybe with the wind, they pause at this hour for sure. They take their lunchtime, and then there's a smaller
There's many
houses to rent
houses,
there.
Yeah.
And it's long. This road there, it's very long. So there's even other spot.
I guess at night it's good here. They have many lights.
Ah, yeah, all the way. You like to go in the water at night
No.
with the, how we call that?
I don't even know how to swim.
The jellyfish. There's some good wave. Maybe we could fish here.
Oh yeah, we should have here.
We should always bring it.
We will go there and put our line.
Even more, yeah. But it's yeah. You know what? We should always carry your fishing line when we go on Seaside.
But we cannot carry a worm.
As yesterday, we tried to make a video about that. Her first time that she fished of her life, but there was no wind, and we've been told on the place we've been at San Fernando that it need to have waves, so the fish come. And from what I see, there's an insect that's been pushed on the beach, like, and they're trying to catch them. That's why they go on the side really to eat. There was like thousands of insects when there was a wave there. That's a pretty long deck. Did not even start. We're still we've been only on the beach side.
Yeah, there's many fishermen. I guess you cannot see, guys.
They're small,
but we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see 7.
There is even more.
Yeah,
8,
there's
9,
even
10.
yeah, there's many.
The thing is, some are more far, so we don't really see them. They're small boats, and there is a wind already.
But
in
there
the
are
waves.
7 visible. Oh yeah, you know what? You know what? It's a good video. This one.
So they're fixing the net after they're done, or they're going one or.
Go there. We'll finish this one and we go there.
It's very windy. It will be a good test with the noise cancellation. I guess with those two mics, no problem. It will be fine.
At least it's windy. Wearing pants is not a problem.
Yeah. We're from close to Baguio, so when we start there, it's very cold. But when we arrive here and then the hour pass, it's no more same.
Wow.
Yeah, you can come here with John, but I will hold him strong. What do you have there? There's algae growing on the rocks. So yeah, pretty simple for now. There's some good waves. There's some people here swimming, family.
Oh, they are preparing because it's already time for them to go. They're really preparing. Let's go and take them. There's one more there. But we will take one picture here.
I don't need to go closer. It's fine here. I'll just zoom a bit.
It's better to go closer.
They're just fixing a net like that, like they make line to put many because it's very long. Now you make turn again and you take a picture with the sea.
My hair is
Your hair too important?
my hair is doing like that.
Mm.
My hair is doing like that. I
Yeah,
don't
it's fine.
like
You
it.
have long hair. Be proud. So look at that here. We're at the Eco Park and they cut pine trees. It's another kind of pine trees, not like Baguio. Sorry, I was trying a candy, but I found out that the citrus candy that I try is big. So my mouth is like big with a big gum now. It's not what I expect. So yeah, they all plant in line and you can install there with family for free, I guess. Or you can go on at the back and you have a Bahay kubo style little house to rent instead.
It's free here.
All clean up and cut in line like that. That's nice. And it cut the sun a lot with those trees like that.
Yes, in line like that. Ah, okay. This is the full area.
Mm.
We'll check. There's no name. Aringay. It's Aringay, Agoo, Santo Tomas, and Rosario. It's
All together.
1, 2, 3, 4. Four municipalities there and there.
Because it's long, so it touch all of them probably on the seaside. It's a long line that we can pass in moto. We'll
Nice.
try it in moto even.
Yes, that's nice.
Record is good. We can go. So we're now on the moto and we're going to roll on the seaside because it's a pretty big site here. There's a lot of place that can be rent, can hold many families. So we'll take a look. Well, only time that I came here before I arrived by that road on that side, and I did not know that it was connecting to the Eco Park here. I guess we stop about here around. Here the sand is very soft. I will not go fast. It's all the wind that put that one. The wind is strong, but it will be fine with the software. I will remove that sound.
Yeah, it's hard to roll on this spot.
Yeah, it's very soft, the sand, and a scooter is not the best tire for this kind. Here.
Anyway, you can see on the side the sea. And then they put a lot of lights here, solar lights
Yeah.
for
For night
a night out.
My God, that there's thick sand on that part here.
It will be slippery. Use the side, more on a bit side.
Then
There's
moving
not
there.
much on the side. This one. So there are fishermen pulling the boat there.
Oh yeah, they have a cable and they push. But
Mm,
sorry guys, it's already hard to drive on that soft sand. It's a bit hard to take a look down.
yeah, even girls or when women are pulling the boat. I guess they
Some are
just
lifting
came
up.
home.
Some are lifting up and
Ah,
some
my
are
God,
pulling.
they just came home. They
That's
have
a bigger
fish.
boat, really. Okay, I guess the zone with the sand will stop there a bit. They have more, maybe with the rocks, there's less stuff going here. They really need a loader to scrape here.
I guess this is the last typhoon. They did not clean
Yeah.
it up yet.
Maybe it went before the rain. The sand was still free, like, and move like our even the waves. Like it can go up to here, maybe.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I
They come
imagine.
here.
So that's why those rocks, those walls with rocks, they're made for that, for the
Mm-mm.
typhoon. They cut a bit the wave there, and they don't get destroyed. Okay, it's getting better.
Oh my God, there's a lot of boats there.
Okay.
Hundreds of
Yeah.
boats.
Sorry, I need to sneeze. It's windy. I guess there's
I know it's not 100,
from
but
the wind.
there's many.
Yeah, it's full of boat there.
Oh, it's broken.
But the
also.
road, I don't know how it
Stop
goes.
here.
It's really
Cannot
finished.
go more far.
So how we did that before? Where we connect? We did not
You
come
do
from
not
the
go
eco park.
more far.
Fine.
You're done.
We'll turn, but I need to pass again on the sand. Boy. Yeah, I hope it's fine. I'm recording now. So that was the entry of the eco park here. We'll go check the other side. I guess it's long. Hoping there's no sand, no soft sand too much on the way there. Place is nice, it's clean. People are doing karaoke on the side, or people call that more videoke. So again, sand there. I guess I will stop, babe.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's not visible from far.
I guess I don't know. It goes until the corner there. I will go in the shade and I will remove the camera on that place.
Okay.